Hello and welcome to another episode of From the Helm. I'm so excited today to take you into the life behind the man behind Mitre Mining, Ray Shorrocks. Ray, Executive Director as well. Big career, exciting times, and for once we're actually turning the spotlight on you. Tell us about your experience in mining, your degree at university, where you started and how you got to be the man behind Mitre Mining.
It's quite a circuitous route that I took. So I did a double major in philosophy and history.
Wow.
And then, very unusual. Very unusual for a miner to do that. But then I did a master's in finance and then got into investment banking. So first and foremost, I'm an investment banker in the mining sector, working for a lot of different brokers, and really found a real passion for the mining industry and what it did.
Yeah, absolutely. So you said you're on the founding board of Bellevue Gold.
Yeah. So one of my first big gigs, I think, was I was the chairman of the predecessor to Bellevue, which was called Grady Resources. And that actually bought the Bellevue asset for $900,000. Steve Parsons joined me shortly after, and now we took that from $900,000 purchase to current value of $2.2 billion. Not a bad effort.
A little bit of value there, isn't there? Now, talking about gold, gold and silver are the two key commodities focused for Mitre Mining.
Yep.
And you've got a few assets at play here. How important is the timing of Mitre Mining looking into gold with the gold price where it is at the moment?
And the silver price.
Silver as well. Forgotten stepsister, but we love silver. I did a story on it.
So really important, right? So, you know, the last time you and I spoke, silver was trading at about $22.50.
Yeah.
An ounce is now trading at over $27 an ounce.
Yeah.
Gold was at about $2,100. It's now trading at over $2,300.
It's crazy.
Both those things are absolutely fundamental to the value growth and the new equity drive in both those commodities. What's really interesting from my point of view is gold and silver have decoupled significantly. But silver's not the poor cousin anymore of gold, and hence Mitre Mining, which has had a 40% increase in share price in the last week.
That's what we like to see, isn't
We do, yeah.
Now, when you're not living and breathing Mitre Mining, tell me what you like to do for some downtime for you, Ray.
Yeah, look, you know, my life has been around marketing and meeting people, of course, and all those sorts of things. So I've become accustomed to and quite enjoy lunches. So
We all love a lunch.
We all love lunch, yes, and it's an incredible opportunity to network. So I feel that that's probably my downtime is lunchtime.
Yeah.
And I do enjoy a wine as well.
Oh, we're in the perfect place for Adelaide right here.
Absolutely.
So I'm sure we'll have
and a bit of
someone.
football, by the way. Yeah.
We love football as well, and obviously mining, which is why we're here.
Of course,
it's just the perfect combination.
It is really.
Now, what's the biggest challenge you've faced in your career to date?
Yeah, I think it's a really fascinating question. It really comes down to making sure that you pony up with the right people. Right? In almost everything you do in life, if you make sure that you employ people that are better than you, you're going to succeed. Absolutely. And that's what we've done, and I've done my whole career, is get really good people. And if you look at the people that I've worked with over the years, they're star-studded. They run some of the biggest mines around the world today. That's because I chose the right people at the right time.
It is we've seen that theme throughout the interviews today, is people are everything.
Yes, everything.
And that's why we wanted to give investors an insight into the people they're investing in.
Yeah, I think it's a really good idea.
Before I let you go, 12-month update and outlook for Mitre Mining.
Just came out with two really spectacular announcements, 40 million ounces at 300 grams per tonne silver equivalent. That is amazing for a group that's only been around for 6 months. And then we just put out some rock chip samples and channeling, which had something like 34,000 grams per tonne silver. Really importantly, 200 grams per tonne gold. So we're drilling at Pegaso 7 at the moment, up to hole 3. Another hole there, then we'll move to Cristal, where we got those spectacular results. So expect a lot of news flow from us. And in the second quarter, we'll be doing a resource update again.
Resource update, that sounds very exciting. Ray Shorrocks, Executive Director of Mitre Mining, thank you for your time today.
Pleasure, good to see you again.
Thanks so much.